Cobras. Cobras are among the most recognizable snakes in the world. They are famous for the hood they spread when they feel threatened, a display designed to make them look larger and more dangerous. Most cobras live across Africa and Asia, where they occupy habitats ranging from forests and grasslands to deserts and farmland. They are venomous hunters that feed on rodents, birds, frogs, and even other snakes. The king cobra, the largest venomous snake on Earth, belongs to this group and is known for its intelligence and unique habit of building nests for its eggs. Throughout history, cobras have appeared in myths, religions, and royal symbols, making them one of the most iconic snake groups ever known. Vipers. Vipers are venomous snakes famous for their long, hinged fangs. These fangs fold against the roof of the mouth when not in use and swing forward during a strike. Vipers are found across much of the world and are masters of camouflage, often blending perfectly into leaves, sand, rocks, or forest floors. Most species are ambush predators that wait patiently for prey rather than actively chasing it. Their venom helps immobilize animals quickly and begins breaking down tissue before digestion even starts. From the deserts of Africa to the mountains of Europe and forests of Asia, vipers have adapted to an incredible range of environments and remain some of nature's most efficient predators. Rattlesnakes. Rattlesnakes are a specialized group of vipers found mainly in North and South America. Their most famous feature is the rattle at the end of the tail, which produces a buzzing sound when shaken. This warning system helps prevent unnecessary encounters with larger animals. Rattlesnakes also possess heat-sensing pits near their eyes that allow them to detect warm-blooded prey even in complete darkness. They primarily feed on rodents, rabbits, and birds, making them important for controlling pest populations. Although their venom can be dangerous, rattlesnakes generally prefer to avoid conflict and use their rattle as a signal to stay away. Pythons. Pythons are among the largest snakes on Earth and are found throughout Africa, Asia, and Australia. Unlike venomous snakes, pythons rely on powerful muscles to subdue prey. Once they capture an animal, they wrap their bodies around it and tighten their coils until the prey can no longer resist. Many species are excellent swimmers and climbers, allowing them to hunt in a variety of habitats. The reticulated python holds the record as the world's longest snake, while other species are known for their impressive size and strength. Pythons have fascinated humans for centuries because of their enormous dimensions and remarkable hunting abilities. Boas. Boas are large constrictor snakes mostly found in North, Central, and South America. They are closely related to pythons in appearance and behavior, but belong to a different family. Boa constrictors are the best-known members of this group and have become symbols of powerful non-venomous snakes. Boas use constriction to capture prey and can consume animals much larger than their heads appear capable of handling. Many species live in tropical forests, where they spend time both on the ground and in trees. Their adaptability, strength, and widespread distribution have made boas one of the most successful snake groups in the Americas. Anacondas. Anacondas are giant aquatic boas that inhabit the rivers, swamps, and wetlands of South America. The green anaconda is the heaviest snake in the world and can reach extraordinary sizes. Water plays a major role in the life of an anaconda, supporting its massive body and helping it move efficiently despite its weight. These snakes are ambush predators that remain nearly invisible beneath the surface while waiting for prey. They can capture animals ranging from fish and birds to deer and large mammals. Their incredible size has made them legendary creatures and frequent subjects of wildlife documentaries and popular culture. Mambas. Mambas are fast-moving venomous snakes native to Africa. The black mamba is especially famous because of its speed, agility, and potent venom. Despite its fearsome reputation, the black mamba usually avoids humans whenever possible and prefers escape over confrontation. Mambas actively hunt during the day, searching for birds, rodents, and other small animals. Their streamlined bodies allow them to move quickly across the landscape, making them some of the fastest snakes in the world. Wildlife experts often consider mambas among the most fascinating African reptiles because of their intelligence, alertness, and remarkable athletic abilities. Sea snakes. Sea snakes represent one of the most successful adaptations of snakes to marine life. Found mainly in the warm waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans, these reptiles spend most or all of their lives at sea. Their tails have evolved into paddle-like shapes that make them excellent swimmers, while their bodies are streamlined for moving through water. Sea snakes primarily hunt fish and eels, using venom to immobilize prey. Many species are highly venomous, yet encounters with humans are uncommon because they usually inhabit offshore waters and coral reefs. Their ability to thrive in an environment so different from that of land snakes makes them one of the most remarkable snake groups on Earth.